Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Icy Fashol. I am a former full-time worker sa Kingdom, or should they say ex-worker from the Kingdom. So, the reason why, ako video karon kasi, I just wanna give my statement also, no? Kasi parang sobra na kaayo ba? No, sobra na kay mga allegations against kay pastor. Maski unsa na lang ang gipang accuse nila, which is tanan dili tinuod. Okay. So, we became a member 1993, but my father was already a listener of pastor of 1981 sa Villamor pa to. So, wala pa siya nag-asawa din. 1993 hanggang sa nalaman ni ng father ko na pastor already separated from that church back in Villamor. So we became a member 1993. And then also hanggang sa naging full-time miracle worker kami. And then but unfortunately 2013 I decided to separated from the Kingdom. But of course, it was my own choice. It's our choice, no, sa aming family na nambas kami sa Kingdom. Hindi hawak ni pastor yung mga choice namin. And then, so go back to the main issue. I just wanted to, para mabalance sa tanan kasi regarding sa nakita ko sa Senate hearing, I was very shocked because sa lahat ng mga na-mention doon ng mga accusation kay pastor, nasabi yung name ng brother ko. My brother kasi namatay siya noong June 30, 2019, and he received several gunshots nung namatay siya. So, ang sabi doon sa witness sa Senate, sabi niya, may kinalaman daw si pastor sa pagkamatay ng kapatid ko. No. I just wanted to make it clear. No po, no. Kasi, we don't believe in that. Kami nga family, no. Hindi nga kami naniniwala nga si pastor ang nagpatay sa kapatid ko. Kasi pastor is very, very a good man. Yung mga teaching kasi ni pastor unique eh. Kahit nasa labas na kami, na-remain talaga siya sa utak namin, sa heart namin kasi yung teaching ni pastor is to love your neighbor as yourself. So, malayo talaga yun. At isa pa, my brother, he is working under the government in Tagum City. You can check their provincial capital, yun yung name doon sa Tagum City. So, since na lumabas siya, in the middle data 2009 or 2010, so hanggang sa namatay siya, so it's gonna be 9 or 10 years na siya doon. So, can you imagine, ha? Tapos, grabe yung innocenteng tao pa ang inyong hanggi pasangin na, nagpataka lang yun mo. No? Me and together with my family, no? After my brother died, we just keep silent because we don't have any evidence, we don't have concrete evidence na kung kinsa gyud nagpatay sa akong manghod. Okay? But regarding with this investigation, we clearly see that it's all about personal grudge. Kasi regarding pa naman sa several gunshots na receive ng kapatid ko, wala talaga silang plano na buhayin siya. So, it was very actually sa family ko, ayaw na namin talaga sanang pag-usapan, pero kayo gawa-gawa kayo ng storya dyan sa Senate, nag-witness kayo, gawa-gawa nyo lang, hindi nga namin alam, siya nga kami ng family namin kasi mention nyo pa yung pangalan brother. The name of my brother pala is Raymond Fashol. So, I'm his sister. I'm the eldest. And, never once talaga kaming nagsira never once kaming gawa-gawa ng istorya since na lumabas kami hanggang sa, yun nga, about my brother's death, no? Hindi kami gumagawa ng istorya nga regarding kay pastor, and then nakilalaman siya. No talaga. Because we don't believe we don't believe na may kinalaman si pastor. Pastor was, I believe he was innocent. And even those accusations na sinasabi nyo dyan, puro talaga kayo sinungaling. I've been a former ACQ scholar. Pastor also, pinaaral niya ako. I am proudly saying na I am a graduate. A pioneering graduate of Jose Maria College 2007. And throughout the years, no, imagine since grade 1 pa ako sa Kingdom, Lord. And I can see all, with my naked eyes, nakikita ko yung kabutihan ni pastor sa amin. And ni minsan wala akong nakita na hindi maganda. Lahat magandang ginagawa ni pastor. Lahat ng full-time worker, mga Kingdom, concerned si pastor doon. Kaya nga nakikita niyo yung Kingdom ngayon masyadong ng mga lago. Kasi pastor was concerned with his members and full-time workers. And also, kayong mga nag-accuse kay pastor, saan ba kayo nung nagsisimula pa ang Kingdom? Ngayon lang kayo, di ba, nagsira na masyado ng progress yung Kingdom. So, ito lang. Just my statement lang talaga na we don't believe, no? Me and our family, Fashol family, we don't believe na si pastor yung inaakusan nyo na pumatay sa kapatid ko. No, we don't believe in that. So, again, it's so so impossible kasi again, how many years na my brother stayed, no, outside the Kingdom. Kasi pag the moment na we go out from that Kingdom gate, wala nang pakialam si pastor sa amin kasi we made our own decisions na lumabas kami. So wala na siya talagang sa amin hold pag nasa labas na kami. So we just live on our own lives, ordinary lives na ganun. Then it's just so happy lang talaga na o sa Bisaya pa dadto lang talaga kaya lang tama na ako igsuon ba. Doon lang talaga siya. Hanggang doon lang talaga siya. June 30, 2019. So, hindi natin hawak yung buhay natin. And, and also if my father also can give a statement, also the same, no? Same lang sabihin natin, we don't believe na si pastor yung inaakusan, no? I'm so sorry to disappoint you, but we don't believe, no? Kami na nga family, hindi kami naniniwala. Ayaw mo pagbuot-buot, no? I just wanna, kasi I think this is the perfect time na kasi I'm just breaking my silence for all those years, no? Actually, matagal na talaga yung mga pagsisira kay pastor. We just silent lang. But I think this is too much. Too much talaga ginagawa ninyo. So, ganun lang, no? O daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw. May adlaw.